have one of those weeks where nothing seems to go right, but you actually still think it was a pretty good week? What folks, what am I talking about? As you know, something I like to do on this channel every Sunday is share with you my goals and activities of the week. This is something that we set up on January 1st, and we share the results every Sunday. And as you will see in a moment, none, none of the metrics, none of the activities were any good this week. They were all down. They were all bad. However, I oddly feel okay with it. I oddly feel okay with it. Now, this is just 1 week. We can't have this become a trend. That would become a problem. But some weeks just suck. And we know that. Everyone, it happens to everyone. But oddly, again, I sit here today recording this comfortable with what happened, right? I still feel like we moved the ball forward. Wasn't as far as any of us would like, but I did announce something yesterday that I'm particularly proud of, something I've been working on for 6 or 8 weeks, trying to get comfortable with the idea. I'll announce that in the meeting, and I'll do it on the daily financial news today, Mother's Day. Shout out to all the mothers out there. Happy Mother's Day, Mom. Happy Mother's Day. I will be calling you later for our chat, of course. Well, folks, let's get into the numbers. They are all bad. But again, I really feel okay with it. It's kind of an odd feeling. Alrighty, folks, we are in week, what is it? Week 19. Yep, week 19. So the first thing to talk about is, my physical goals. I was looking to lose weight. Unfortunately, this week I suffered an injury. I actually did some intervals on a bike and did some clean and jerks, or ground to overhead, and I hurt my knee, and really, really was tough to walk, let alone run. So didn't do nearly any walking. Walked the dogs, really limped to walk the dogs this week. I've been off of it for about 5 days. Starting to feel good. I might go for a light jog, see how it is. But yeah, didn't run, didn't do any walking, gained a couple of pounds, and yeah, not good. We did, however, record our 4th show in the Buying Vegas series. Shout out Sean for coming in and dropping all kinds of knowledge on, rooms, renting rooms, in house, crash pads, things of that nature. It was a great conversation. Olivia loved the numbers, obviously. You guys will see that once we slice and dice it. But yeah, it was a rough week physically, pretty painful. Couple of days just sitting there was painful. I don't know if hurt a tendon or something. It was ungood. Did not feel good. As for the ORAT community, you guys are still rocking and rolling. You're doing the work. I am getting more and more messages saying thank you. Uh, because of you, I put in a disrespectful offer. Because of you, I got something before list. Folks, I hope you hear me when I say this, or I hope you feel me when I say this. Our time is coming. The last couple of years it's been tough to get deals. You had to be fast. Our time's coming. Market will slow down, inventory will build, days on market will go up, and you and I will go hunting for motivated sellers. This is great. This is good for us. And I'm encouraged by everyone that's doing the work. So congratulations. Sent out a lot of black cards. I think one of the days this week, we rattled off 8 different names. That was pretty awesome. Happy to get those out. So congratulations to everyone doing the work. As for conferences, we did hit our 3. Our goal for the year was 3. I will obviously try to get to a couple more, I think, before the end of the year. But yes, that was good. Did get on a podcast. Shout out David. I think David Dodge, I think it was. Hopefully get some more scheduled. I think we're doing a Florida podcast tomorrow, I think, Monday. So we got another one scheduled, but always looking to do more. So thank you for that. And then the YouTube channels. We got pretty big tick in views. A lot of those were shorts. The team's slicing and dicing and posting lots of shorts. We did see subscriber growth over 200, so thank you for that. We just, down, I don't know, this is that down $140 on income. Daily financial news, which again, I think is a channel that maybe eventually outgrows, the main channel. We'll see. We had over 6,000 views, 59 new subscribers. So thank you for that. And made about $48. Best of ORAT coming up, really gaining. I think Best of ORAT also will be bigger than the main channel at some point. Really, I've been told many times that I post too much content, which a lot of the advisors say they've never told anyone, but hey, they tell me. So that's why I created the other channels. They get one video a day, sometimes two, but usually just one. And it really is kind of the highlight of the main channel. So, uh, like, subscribe, comment, be a part of all of them. I greatly appreciate it. But yes, yeah, YouTube this week was okay. Then we're going on to book sales and courses and all of that, and this is where it all falls off a cliff. Book sales are continually falling. 18, I think 18 is the lowest I've sold in years. So one rental at a time, not getting the love, or maybe everybody bought it already. Maybe. But again, not a lot of book sales. I want to thank apparently two of you wrote some 5 stars reviews on Amazon. So thank you. We went up to 1,392 5-star reviews. So thank you for that. I guess I should say reviews. They're not all 5 stars, but I think we're like 4.72 or something like that. So a lot of 5 stars, mainly 5 stars. 15 Conversations with Real Estate Millionaires never really took off. It is the book I wrote for my audience. It is the book I wish I had when I was going through the first 5 years. The first 5 years suck. So I went out and collected 15 unique stories of others going through the suck and kind of showing you the other side. The reason there are 15 different stories is, I wanted to create one book with 15 unique stories so that hopefully you can find your person in there. And yeah, it's just it's a hope of mine. And I don't know what's going on with the book reviews. We've been stuck at 56 all year. At least 10 of you have told me, Michael, I wrote a review. It's not posting. No idea. I did send a help message to Amazon. So far, no luck. Yeah, if you do write a review for 15 Conversations with Real Estate Millionaires, let me know. I'd greatly appreciate it. Now on to the courses and whatnot. This again is a complete failure. I don't talk about them. I don't market them. I don't run ads. So again, closed mouth does not get fed. We did get 9 people downloading the 54-year spreadsheet. What is that? That is the spreadsheet that has guided me for the last couple of years on the housing market. I give it away for free. Go to onerentalatatime.com. Get it. Zuber Letter. Zuber Letter is something we've launched about a month ago. Again, it's a weekly newsletter with the highlight of the week. I can tell you, you want to register the newsletter we're drafting for next week is going to be fire. It will be perhaps the most controversial newsletter we post. Like all of them, it will come with videos and links and kind of, backup material to my calls. But yeah, go to zuberletter.com, register so you can get your newsletter. I think we have 3 out there already. So again, if you want to go see what we wrote about the last couple of weeks, you can go there. And then finally, I did announce a school community. I'm trying to find a way where I can get you, my audience, more involved with my guests, my millionaires, and special guests that come back. So what I've done with the school community already is I'm booking Zoom calls, which if you're in the school community, you will get a reminder email as well. We have a call scheduled for Wednesday at 8 a.m., which if you're a part of the community, you can freely attend and ask questions. Our first one is going to be with Dion and Matt the Lumberjack, and you can participate with us. It's kind of like being in the audience during a show. We are going to do our normal thing. We are going to have fun. You can ask questions. You can be a part of a topic or not. We'll even ask you if you have a topic or question you'd like us to riff on. That is something that I think school, unlike anything else, allows me to do. And then the other thing I'm going to do is I'm going to try to go live once a month. This is something I haven't done in a while. but I want to go live once a month just with the community. And again, I've scheduled that for not today, but next Sunday, I think at 8 a.m. So again, what you'll see going forward is you'll have the opportunity maybe to interact with Anna or Jonathan Twomley or Taylor or Dan Bird or whoever you want. Maybe we get Simon, the uneducated economist. Maybe we get, I don't know, anybody that we've had on the channel. Maybe you'll get an opportunity to interact, ask questions. Maybe we try to get Minority Mindset and Jazz Preet back. Again, it's just a way for me, a way for me to kind of, merge this opportunity that I've been given with this growing community, growing brand to give more value to you. And then, of course, because it's a community, you will see some courses in there for free. I put in the 90-minute buy box or education. There's more coming. I've just launched it. So we've already had two people sign up, which I greatly appreciate. Didn't really probably even know what you were signing up for. So I appreciate it. I do think, providing a unique opportunity by allowing you to interact with the Millionaire Series. I don't know. I think it's going to be cool. More to come because I'm not even sure I understand all the power of school. But yeah, feel free to join. I'll put a link below. But yeah, the school community is why I think this week was okay. The week was horrible everywhere else, right? Hurt myself, very painful. Didn't sell any courses, as you'll see in a minute. Didn't sell any books. Just bad, bad, bad. But I launched something that I've been working on for quite a while, 6-8 weeks, and I feel good about it. And I feel good about it. I think we're can find a unique way to give even more value. So yeah. So join. Free course. We did sell 5, again, still on Teachable. We didn't sell anything else. No paid course. This is the first time in 5 years we didn't sell any courses. No deep buy box deep dive, no Vegas event, no stocks, no main course, no mentoring, nothing. No courses. And I guess that's what you get when you don't talk about it, right? The closed mouth doesn't get fed. We didn't sell any courses, so it probably makes sense that the Facebook group didn't grow. But yeah, that's look at that. That's 3 weeks in a row. No ORAT sales. How to get started, one rental at a time, $3.99. Huge value. I give away the Vegas event for $200, and we haven't sold any in 3 weeks. Yeah. All right. It is what it is. And then ORAT swag. Folks, I don't know what the deal is. I think this shirt is hilarious. I have 2 versions of this. We have don't buy dumb, bad word, and the I is an exclamation mark. So, the kids don't get in trouble. We have the version for the ladies and the version for the guys. Somebody that needs that t-shirt. And, it'd be a nice birthday gift, Christmas gift, be a funny gift just to give them on their, car seat or something. Yes, folks, don't buy dumb blank. Again, it's got watches and cars and shoes and all kinds of stuff in it. There is a version for the guys and a version for the ladies. We sold 0. Again, sold nothing this week. But yeah, it is what it is. Books and cards. So you get one book selfie. I appreciate that. Again, if you tag me on Instagram, I save them. Something that's always been fun for me to do. And then Amazon. Yeah, we made $18 on Amazon this week. Folks, a lot of my channels, have the books that we sell. There's on my main site, onerentalatatime.com, there's this thing that says, "This made me rich." These are all the books and games that have allowed me to kind of see what's out there. So, folks, at the end of the day, not a great week. Numeric, course sales, book sales, swag. But I still feel good about it. I still think it was a good week. We can't have 2 weeks like this. Can't allow that to happen. Need to make sure I'm not injured anymore. We don't want to be injured while we're working out. Don't feel good about gaining 2 pounds in a week. That's definitely my diet. I'm on that seafood diet where if you see it, you eat it. So I've got to get more I got to watch the diet more, right? I'm not 30 anymore. So, yeah, it is what it is. Folks, at the end of the day, we all have bad weeks. This was my bad week, but I'm okay. I still feel okay about it. Can't do 2 bad weeks in a row, though. So, hope you have an amazing day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Happy Mother's Day. Later.